And now to start the invitational section of the men's 4x800-meter relay. U.S. leader 7:42.52 by Spanish River. We've certainly got teams that could contend with that today. And our Arcadia Invitational record just a little bit faster at 7:42.36. Set by Long Beach Poly over 2 decades ago. JSerra lead off running in hip 1. Great Oak will go in 2. Jesuit in 3. Pineview in 4. Long Beach Wilson in 5. Riverside Poly 6. Miracosta 7. St. Joseph 8. Redondo 9. Skyline 10. Loyola 11. King 12. Crescenta Valley 13. Union Catholic 14. Clovis East 15. Oaks Christian 16. Scripps Ranch 17, Bellarmine 18, Danbury 19, Hamilton 20, and Douglas County 21. And here we go, the invitational section of the boys 4x800-meter relay. Right on the inside, right to the front here, Kane Newman, the senior from JSerra, run 1:54, and he is out quickly, staying out of trouble and getting out. And right at 27 on that first 200. And Loyola is out well. Loyola and JSerra. King in 3rd. Johannes of Loyola, and they come by at 57. Newman for for JSerra. And Wilson now has moved into 2nd. Loyola, Wilson, Bellarmine, and on the inside comes King. Bellarmine moving well. Bellarmine in the lead, will hand out first. Bellarmine, and then in that light blue, Loyola in 2nd, in the all black, Wilson in the maroon, King in the red tops. JSerra in all black in 5th, and then Miracosta. 1:56.5 on that leadoff for Bellarmine. And now here's the 5 here. Bellarmine, Loyola on the inside in 2nd, Wilson, King, Sarah. Union Catholic moving back up, Jesuit and Miracosta. Our 5 is turned into 8. Here we go. Redondo trying to get up in it. Wilson now going back. This is Cashel Bando now. Here comes King. Lunetta moves King into the lead. And JSerra in 4th, Jesuit. And Union Catholic has moved all the way back up in it. And in fact has moved into 3rd now. Redondo has moved up in to join that group in the all red right behind Miracosta. Wilson's dropped the baton. Oh my! We've got Loyola, Union Catholic all the way to 2nd. King, here comes Jesuit, JSerra, and Redondo. Loyola, Union Catholic, King, Jesuit, and J. Sarah. 154 on that second leg for Union Catholic. Loyola, King, Union City, Union Catholic, Jesuit, and J. Sarah. Jackley running that third leg for Jesuit. And here we go down the backstretch. They're right around 55 for that group. Down the backstretch, Loyola, King, Union Catholic, J. Sarah, and Jesuit. And J. Sarah now moving up on the outside shoulder into second. J. Sarah has moved into second now. And J. Sarah trying to come around. And J. Sarah now in the lead. J. Sarah, here comes Union Catholic on the outside. And back on the inside, King trying to stay close with Jesuit. But Union Catholic will hand off in the lead. Here we go. Union Catholic. There we go, King. And Alvin Morales running the fourth leg for J. Sarah. Ran 149 last year. And Albert's the sophomore from Jesuit in the red top and yellow shorts, moving up. And they are now up with King, but Union Catholic 600 go with the lead. Loyola in a ways back in fifth, Miracosta in sixth, and Redondo in seventh, Great Oak in eighth. But it's a big four here with 500 to go. And we're setting ourselves up for a great finish. Here we go. J. Sarah in the all black takes the lead. Union Catholic in second, and then now moving into second in the red. Albert's got Jesuit into second. King hanging right there in fourth. Union Catholic in third. 300 to go. J. Sarah, Jesuit, Union Catholic, and King. To go. J. Sarah and Jesuit. They've separated. Here we go. We're at 7:20 right now. National leading mark is 7:42. That's certainly in jeopardy. Now trying to bring it home. Albert's the sophomore from Jesuit. Jesuit. Oh my. This is going to be a new national leader right at 7:41.51, fastest time in the country this year. J. Sarah, 7:42.60, that's the third fastest time in the country this year. Union Catholic, 7:46.20, they are third. And that puts him as the sixth fastest time in the country. So another new national leading mark. And 151 for Alberts on that anchor leg for Jesuit.